Have you ever thought about starting your own business from home? Imagine the freedom to work when you want, where you want, without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5. In this digital age, more and more individuals are turning towards home-based businesses as a viable and appealing alternative. One such business model that's gaining traction is dropshipping. It's a unique model that eliminates the need for inventory, making it an attractive option for those seeking to start a business without a hefty upfront investment. It's not just about the low startup costs, though. Dropshipping also offers the potential for passive income. That's right, earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. It's about creating a lifestyle that gives you control over your time and financial freedom. If you're intrigued by the potential of owning your own business from the comfort of your home, then you're in the right place. So what exactly is dropshipping and how does it work? Picture this. You venture into a world of e-commerce, but without the headache of maintaining a warehouse or worrying about shipping logistics. This, my friends, is the essence of dropshipping. It's a retail fulfillment method where you, as a store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer purchases a product from your online store, you then order it from a third party, usually a manufacturer or wholesaler, and have it shipped directly to the customer. It's like being a middleman, but in the digital world. Now, why is dropshipping a good business model, especially for those looking to start a business from home? Well, there are several reasons. First, it's low risk. You don't have to invest a large sum of money in inventory up front. You only purchase a product when you've already secured a sale and have been paid by the customer. Second, it's flexible. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. This makes it an ideal choice for digital nomads or those who simply prefer to work from the comfort of their own home. Third, it's easy to start. You don't need to be an e-commerce expert or a tech wizard to set up a dropshipping store. There are plenty of platforms out there, like Shopify or WooCommerce, that make the process simple and straightforward. Lastly, it's scalable. As your business grows, you won't have to worry about hiring more staff to handle orders or expanding your warehouse space. Your third-party supplier takes care of all that. Of course, like any business model, dropshipping isn't without its challenges, but with the right approach, it can be a profitable venture. Now that you know what dropshipping is, let's delve into how you can start your own dropshipping business. Setting up your dropshipping business is a straightforward process. It's like assembling a puzzle, each piece fitting together to create a whole. Let's walk through the steps you'll need to take to get your dropshipping business off the ground. The first piece of our puzzle is choosing a niche. This is a crucial step because it determines what products you'll sell. You want to choose a niche that you're passionate about, but also one that has a high demand in the market. Whether it's eco-friendly products, vintage apparel, or tech gadgets, it's essential to select a niche that resonates with you and your potential customers. Next, you'll need to find a supplier. This is the entity that actually manufactures and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. It's important to find a reliable supplier who offers quality products, has good customer service, and can deliver on time. Some popular platforms to find suppliers include Alibaba, Douba, and Salehu. Once you've found your supplier, it's time to set up an online store. There are several platforms that you can use to do this, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly and come with a plethora of features to help manage your store effectively. You'll want to make sure your store is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Remember, your online store is the face of your business, so make sure it makes a good first impression. Finally, you'll need to list your products. This involves writing product descriptions, taking or sourcing product photos, and setting prices. It's crucial that your product listings are enticing and informative to draw in customers and drive sales. And there you have it. Those are the main steps to setting up your dropshipping business. Of course, there's more to learn and more work to do, but these steps lay the foundation for a successful dropshipping business. Once you've set up your online store, you're ready to start selling. The world is your oyster, and the internet is your marketplace. The next step is to market your business, but that's a topic for another scene. For now, happy dropshipping! Now that you have your online store set up, how do you attract customers? This is the question that most dropshippers face after establishing their business. Well, the answer lies in effective marketing strategies. Today, I will share with you 3 potent strategies that can help you drive traffic to your store: search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing. Let's start with search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website to make it more visible on search engines like Google. When your online store ranks higher in search results, more people are likely to visit your site. To start with SEO, focus on using relevant keywords in your site content, optimizing your site's speed and mobile usability, and creating valuable content that answers your potential customers' questions. Next, let's talk about social media marketing. In our digital age, social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are powerful tools to reach and engage with your target audience. Start by creating business accounts on these platforms and consistently posting engaging content. This could be anything from product photos to customer testimonials or behind-the-scenes looks at your business. Also, consider using paid advertisements on these platforms to reach a wider audience. Last but not least, let's explore email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to keep your customers engaged and informed about your products. Start by creating an email list and sending out regular newsletters with updates, promotions, or exclusive offers. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is to provide value to your customers, not just sell your products. These marketing strategies are not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to test different strategies and see what works best for your specific business. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your successes and failures. With the right marketing strategies, you can attract a steady stream of customers to your store. Remember, successful marketing is about understanding your customers, meeting them where they are, and providing value that keeps them coming back. So get out there and start marketing your dropshipping business. So, you might be wondering, how much can I really earn from a dropshipping business? Well, let's delve into that. The earning potential of a dropshipping business can be quite substantial. However, like any business, your profit will largely depend on how well you execute your strategies, your commitment, and the amount of effort you put in. First, let's clarify what we mean by passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal activity through a variety of ventures which require a good deal of initial effort and resources, but thereafter often only need upkeep. Dropshipping falls into this category because once you've set up your online store and secured a reliable supplier, you can earn money from sales without having to handle the products yourself. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can set your own profit margins. This means the earning potential is essentially limitless. You could be making a few $100s a month, or you could be raking in a few thousand. It all depends on the strategies you employ and the success of your marketing efforts. But it's not just about the money. Dropshipping also offers flexibility. Since it's an online business, you can run it from anywhere in the world at any time. This means it can easily fit into your lifestyle, whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a full-time employee, or a globe-trotting adventurer. However, it's important to remember that while dropshipping can provide a significant income, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. You'll need to spend time researching products, working with suppliers, and marketing your store. But with dedication and a little bit of entrepreneurship, it can become a steady stream of passive income. So, is dropshipping worth it? Absolutely. With the right approach, it can provide a substantial income and offer you the flexibility and freedom that comes with running your own online business. As you can see, dropshipping has the potential to be a lucrative passive income source. Starting a dropshipping business from home is not only possible, it's also potentially very profitable. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of what dropshipping is, the steps to set up your own business, and strategies to market it effectively. We've also looked at the immense potential of dropshipping as a passive income source. It's an opportunity that is not just about earning, but also about learning, learning new skills, understanding market trends, and navigating the world of e-commerce. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started with a dream and then took action. So, why not you? Consider starting your own dropshipping business. Start small, learn as you go, and who knows, you might just find yourself running a successful online store in no time. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start your dropshipping journey.